name is Cammy. Thank you so much for joining me today, but let's go right to the video. So the business is called Beat Cosmetics. It is 100% Black owned, and she is just doing her thing, okay? She is doing her thing, coming out with different palettes, different lip products, and even coming out with complexion products. So you know what? I said I'm going to do a video and promote her products and just let people know what she is doing, so that way we can come together and we can support her. Her products are very affordable, they are very well made, and I'm about to show you all of that right now. And she sent me this in a really cute package that says Beat Cosmetics on there. And guys, she sent me a whole bunch of stuff that we are going to do for this giveaway. So I am so excited to show you the palettes and the other things there. So this is one of the palettes that I am going to be giving away. This is Beat Cosmetics, and this is called the Eyeshadow Gallery. So I'm going to open this up for you right here. And as you can see, this is a very pretty palette. It is a tri palette. She's giving us 3 different color palettes in one. So as you can see, we have this palette right here with the shimmers and the purple, which is perfect. We have a more cool tone palette here that has like the tans and the browns and the blues with a little bit of green mixed in. And then we have this warm palette that has the whites and the yellows and the gold. So if you get this palette, y'all, you will be able to use this for all seasons. You will be able to use some for summer, fall. You'll be able to mix some for winter and spring. This is kind of like an all-in-one palette that you can use for so many different seasons and so many different things when it comes to your makeup needs. And what I like about this palette, guys, is it has the glitter, it has shimmer, and it has mattes mixed in as well. So you won't need to grab 5 different palettes to make one makeup look. So this is another giveaway item that you are going to be able to win for free $99. Okay, you're gonna get to win this for free. This is the Beat Face Candy Crush eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, it's already giving us vibes. Okay, so when we open this up, it definitely is serving us that candy vibe. As you can see, this palette is focused on those purples and those burgundies and those pinks, and she even hit us up with a nice little type of light color so that we can use that as well to bring some more life and dimension to the palette. The colors are very rich and they are extremely pigmented. So this is her other Candy Crush palette, but this is going to be in the apple version. So these are the colors that are within this palette. As you can see, she does give you a variety of pinks and reds and different hues to play off of. And also you get some shimmer colors as well as some matte colors to work with. And she also gives you this white color, which is going to be really great because if you want to intensify or make any of these colors a little bit brighter or a little bit lighter, you can start with the white as a base and do so. So I love that she did that there. So this is her Sunset eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, this again comes with a variety of different colors. You could use this honestly for all seasons, but this would be definitely good for fall and summertime for you to use because it does have the different hues of the orange and that kind of plays on the browns. She does give you these shimmer colors here with a bit of glitter as well as a variety of different hues to play off of. So this is going to be another palette that you can win if you enter the giveaway to win these Black owned products by Beat Cosmetics. So in this giveaway, I will also be giving away some lip glosses. So this is one of the lip glosses here. This is another Beat Cosmetics lip gloss, and as you can see, this has a beautiful shimmery shiny color. This is going to be definitely bomb and perfect for fall, trust me, because it has that fall type of vibe and color to it. Then we have this other Beat Cosmetics lip gloss. You can see that this is a very pretty color as well. And then we have our classic clear shimmer type of lip gloss that will be in the giveaway. So her website is www.thebeatface.com, and do not worry, I will have everything linked below in the description box. So please go check her website out as well as her IG, and I will have all the rules to enter the giveaway in the description box as well. So she did give me a coupon code, guys, and if you use my code, which is going to be CammyFall20, you get 20% off all your orders on her website. All right, guys, so to enter the giveaway, it's honestly super easy to do. One, you just have to go follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram account name is BeatCosmeticsCo_official. And do not worry, I will have everything again linked in the description box below. Once you follow her on Instagram, the second thing that you have to do is comment on any of her posts, and all you have to say is, Cammy sent me to win some products. That is pretty much all you have to do, is just leave that type of comment on there letting her know that I sent you, so that way she knows that you are a part of the giveaway on my YouTube channel. And the last thing that you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and turn notifications on. So once you do those 3 things, follow her on Instagram, leave a comment saying Cammy sent me to win some products, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be entered in to win any of the many products that I have to give away today. So there are 8 products, which means that there are 8 chances to win, which are pretty good odds. So guys, please go support her, give her website some traffic. Let us support and boost up Black-owned businesses, so that way they can thrive not only in 2021, but 2022 and beyond. But guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, turning on the notification bell, so that way you know whenever I post more videos. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!